Hi traders, Anthony here. I'm just going to give you my take on Bitcoin at the moment. We've traded up into a resistance level here. You can see the shaded zone on the daily chart right through here. We're stalling at this level right now. We're at a critical point. If we pick up a one of these, how far back can we go with that? This is the level to break if we're going to see any upside. So at the moment we're in a bearish trend. The bullish trend for me would confirm if we got a break of this diagonal, and I'd have to see as well a break of that high. That would confirm a bullish trend for me. So at the moment this is still in a downtrend. If we go down to the lower time frame, oh yeah, and another thing here too, have a look at the shaded levels on the chart here. We have a resistance through here, you can see at this level, and then we have a gap under here. So be careful. We could see this trade back down through this gap possibility. It's a big level to crack at the moment, this current high. And I'll go down to the 4-hour chart. I mean, you can see this shaded zone here. This is our version of a volume profile through here. You can see it. On the higher time frame, got a bit of a price gap, but the 4-hour is picking up a bit of congestion around here. Now, this is a level to watch right now. Yeah, we pull that through there. That's it there. We get a break and retest of this. You'd have to crack this level. We get a break and retest, fail here. We do have a price gap right up through to here. So that could be the thing. But I mean, we're grinding up, but on the higher time frame, this is a downtrend. So I mean, it's either going to grind through here and break this level, or it'll rotate, which it looks like it's more or less doing here, and it could trade back down into liquidity down here. All right. So at the moment, you know, there's no real trade setup for me. We do have this breakout on the lower time frame, so I mean, we could have a look at that. I don't really want to get committed to anything at the moment. I mean, have a look at it on the 30-minute. You know, I mean, there's a bit of a head and shoulders thing sitting up here. So, yeah, I mean, is it gearing up for a move back down into this area down here? We've got here, and we've got this shaded zone here. Generally, we're looking at the lower time frame to navigate the volatility. So if we open up the 1 minute, if you want to be daring, you could get involved with these signals here. Breakout, retest and fail. That could be, well, could have been a short. You can go back and have a look at these. By the way, you can gain access to my indicators. There's a 7-day free trial. Breakout, retest, look at that. This is on the 1 minute chart. We're not even doing any higher time frame analysis. And but what we like to do with this is, after today we've kind of changed the rules a little bit. So what we do is we look for the break, move back down into the mean, and then we go for a tight target here to take 80%. Best thing is to confirm the trend on the higher time frame and then follow it. So if the higher time frame is clearly bearish, for example, well, you'd want to be taking these. You'd go for these red breaks. And if the higher time frame's clearly bullish, so it kind of works like this. Let's just say, you know, here's a downtrend, picture perfect trend. These breakouts are going to occur, so we're going to get a green break here up. But if the higher time frame is heading in this direction, we're going to be looking for these signals to short it, and that's the kind of thing we're looking for. So guys, click the link below the video in the description. Go to my website. I've just built a brand new website, and there's a whole stack of information. You've got free access for a week, my Telegram group, the indicators, everything. So have a look at that, and yeah. So where to from here? I kind of got a bit carried away. Really, there's nothing for me. We're at a big resistance level. On the higher time frame, I guess on the daily it's bearish. You know what? For me to get involved with a short, I'd really want to see, all right, a break of these lows here. something like that. We crack that and then we retest this level here and fail. There you go, there's a short. Target 1, target 2, and then stop loss above, something like that. Yeah, I mean at the moment it's just kind of hovering in no man's land, so there's nothing set up yet. Break to the upside, I don't know, I'm kind of reluctant to go long. For me to get involved in a buy, I would have to see, I mean this is the level to break here, the break and retest of this, and I'll tell you what, that is going to be the trade, absolutely. But yeah, I mean, let's see how we go with this. So we've got this range to contend with pretty much. We either get a break and retest above or below, so we're still range bound as far as I'm concerned. So guys, that's it, Bitcoin. Check the link below, go to my website, and I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day. Not financial advice.